I caught a grown man taking pictures of my daughter at the pool. Today I took my kids to the water park with my wife. Our extended family and friends showed up. We had fresh fruit, the weather was great, and it was our first time taking my 9-month-old swimming, so everyone was having a blast. It was wonderful until what happened next. My oldest daughter, 13 years old, and I went to the table to take a break while everyone else was swimming. I was sitting down, and she was standing up behind me. We were just chatting away and having some bonding time. I turned to look at her when I saw a man who looked to be in his 60s or 70s taking a picture of my daughter from behind. He was facing away from us but had his phone on selfie mode so I could see his screen. I jumped up and smacked the shit out of him. He fell to the floor, groaning. His daughter was shouting that her dad was not like that and called the police. I told the cops what had happened, and after a few minutes of discussion, they checked his phone. They found pictures of 7 other girls in his camera roll and arrested him. I was informed that no charges would be pressed against me. Absolutely disgusting.